Take a ride in the 2024 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.